So this hair is not a frontal, it's a closure, but let's dive deep into this hair. Let's talk everything with this hair. Oh my goodness, let's just get right into it, okay?
Okay guys, let's get right into this hair. So this hair was sent to me by Asteria Hair, and this hair is absolutely stunning. This hair came with 3 satin scarves just here, and also an edge laying scarf, and it also comes with a mink lashes and also your wig caps, and it also comes with this satin bag where you can keep and store your wig for long life. Okay, so this one was the Body Wave 5x5 closure wig, and this one was in the 22 inches and in the 180% density. So as I mentioned, it does come in a body wave form, really nice and really soft off the bat, really nice shiny transparent lace just over here, and this is the original curl pattern that comes with the hair. The hair was not smelly, was no shedding, if I'm 100% honest. What I did want to do is just bleach the knots, so I just went in there and I bleached the knots and I left it on for 15 minutes. And what I like to do is bring the bleach all the way to like just past the hairline itself, so that where you cut it, you know, it just gives it a really nice transition so it doesn't look too weird on. Okay, so I do like to push my bleach just a bit over that line, and like I said, for 15 minutes just leave it on, wash it out with your conditioner and shampoo of choice, and yeah, 15 minutes, and this is the color that I was able to get just there. Go in and pluck the hair. Honestly, the plucking was so easy with this hair. I didn't have to go in, you know, erratically, but I'm just showing here one side where I did pluck, and I went ahead and I did the other side. Just go ahead and pluck it in, you know, in your desired look, whatever look that you're trying to go for. Go ahead and pluck out as much as you can. Like I said, the plucking was really easy as well. So because this is a 5x5 closure, there was no need for me to do the full bold cap method, so I literally just did the front part here, as you can see. Do comment down below, actually let me know if you want to see a more detailed look on this. I literally just rushed it because I was just like, you know, you lot don't want to see this. However, if you do want to see it, please do comment down below and let a sister know. Go ahead and put your foundation on your lace, on the wig of your lace, and also on your bold cap method, whichever way you're going to use it. And straight away the hair, you know, is really nice as well without even styling it. The hair is really nice. And also I got this cap in a medium, and it was an all right fit. I did have to fit in a band. I didn't show it in this video, but I did have to fit in a band just to tighten the wig a bit better. But go ahead and lay your wig down as you would. Straightened it really quickly with my straighteners here, but the hair is so nice, so gorgeous, so full, nice vibrant shine on there. There was no funny smell or nothing. I was really impressed with this hair because it's just really gorgeous to the touch. Like I mentioned earlier, there's hardly any shedding with this hair, and you know what, when you go and purchase these wigs, there's always going to be some sort of shedding, but with this wig here in particular, I was really happy with the amount of shedding that I did get, and it was like next to nothing, if I'm 100% honest. And the fullness of this wig is absolutely stunning, but do style it as you wish. I went ahead and I did the middle part in because that's what I like to do when I first get my wigs. I like to keep it quite basic, and then I build up my style as I go along. I really could have left it like this, right? I really could have left it like this. No baby hair, that really nice clean look. But listen, I had to go ahead and add the baby hair. Oh my goodness. Yeah, a little bit of concealer just there, but after a quick tidy up, I went ahead and I started on my baby hair. Lay your baby hair down as you would. The hair is so nice, and the thing I like about this is that not everybody is good at working you know, their frontals. So if you are one of those people where it's like a hit and miss situation, then definitely go ahead and get this wig, because I feel like it still gives off that frontal look, but obviously it's less the work. Okay, it's less the work because you don't have to lay it down. Not everybody is good at that. I'm not even good at it. all the time, if I'm 100% honest with you. Sometimes it really is a hit and miss. But you know, if you're a little bit like me, where you're just like, I don't have time for that, go ahead and do that.
Okay, do you know what? I'm gonna put that down to my chunky cane rose at the bottom. Super cute. Super cute. I cannot stress how gorgeous this hair is. It's absolutely stunning. It took really well to heat actually. This hair was only 180 density, but absolutely stunning. I wanted to just wear it straight for this one. For this particular look, I wanted to wear it straight, but look at this. Listen, okay? Go ahead and just add.
So at this stage, I thought I was done, and I was like, nah. I could definitely do with extra baby hair. Do you guys ever get like that? Oh my goodness. I should really try rocking some of these styles without baby hair, but I just couldn't. I just thought that, listen, there's room for baby hair. Let me add the baby hair. And the plucking was so amazing on this hair that it just allowed me to just pull out that extra baby hair, you know?
Actually, I think I'm gonna add one more. Just one more.
Okay guys, there we have it. This is the end product, the finishing product for how I kept the hair straight. Really nice. The color is absolutely amazing. Really gorgeous. This hair was from Asteria Hair. I got this one in a 22 inch, and this one was only 180% density. The quality of this hair is so amazing. The thickness of this hair is another thing as well to write home about. Absolutely stunning. It is true to length. It takes really well to heat and also to bleach, because like I mentioned, I did bleach the knots as well. Really nice, gorgeous, lovely hair this one was. So this hair is in the Brazilian hair, okay? It's in the Brazilian hair, 22 inch, 180 density, and the thickness of this is really nice. Oh, and by the way, I am going to include a clip where I used this hair in another video. Unfortunately, I didn't get much images, but listen, Instagram ate it up. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. This is the exact same hair. I just added more curls to it, but absolutely stunning. This hair is amazing. Just look at the curls on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to comment down below, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one.
And this hair is everything. Details are going to be in the description box. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like after I put some curls in it. Everything. This hair is everything. Woo. Honestly guys, if you guys want to know how I've got these curls, please just comment down below, okay? This is my fourth wearing, and today I decided to put these nice curls in it. This hair is so soft, so full, so lush. You really want to get this hair because I can't. What?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, share it to somebody else, and I will catch you guys on another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.